Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to the video on this 2017 GMC Yukon SLT. During this video, we're just going to take you over some of the key features of this car, talk to you a little bit about the difference of buying from all Things Automotive, and at the end, just go over any defects that the vehicle may have. Starting off up front here, see that you got a really nice high-definition headlight, kind of a cool little GMC emblem inside of that headlight. You got your fog lights inlaid into the lower bumper with a chrome surround around the grille, as well as chrome accents around those lower fog lights. Looking at the front bumper here, you can see that you have your front proximity sensors. There are 4 of them across the front. As you're parallel parking, you're pulling into somewhere, the vehicle will beep or show you to indicate how close you are to what's in front of you. Have a, I believe it's an 18-inch alloy rim there. Yeah, it's an 18-inch alloy rim wrapped with Michelin Energy Saver tires. Those tires look to be about half tread, maybe a little better. Got a pretty nice running board there with a chrome accent going along the lower piece of the vehicle, as well as the chrome Yukon badging. Moving on around to your GMC and your Yukon badging here in the back. If you hit this button, you will note that this vehicle does have a power lift gate. The button to lower that is right inside here. You can see that the third row seat is currently up, which is why the cargo area looks small. If you fold those third row seats down, you have quite a bit of cargo area in this vehicle. Moving around, once again, you've got your 18-inch rim with the matching Michelin Energy Saver tires all around. One thing I didn't note on the other side, you'll see these chrome little buttons in the middle of every door handle. Those are proximity buttons. If you have the key in your pocket and you walk up to the door and you just push this button, which I don't have the key in my pocket right now, but if I did, the door would unlock. Coming up here, see that this mirror does have the blind spot alerts, as well as the additional turn signal for people that are behind you. They can see this one on your mirror, as well as the one on the rear tail light. Jumping inside, you can see that the driver's seat is a fully power adjustable seat with a power lumbar. Coming over here, playing on that power adjustable seat, you'll see different settings for different driver profiles. You can set seats and mirrors to certain settings and then program them to profiles number 1 and 2. That way, if multiple people drive the car, you don't have to worry about them adjusting your mirrors and seats to different settings. Right here, you got your standard power locks and windows, as well as power folding mirrors. Hit that button, the mirrors fold right in. All right, let's jump inside, check out some of the features here. Have a power tilt and telescoping wheel. That button is right here, as you can see. Your 4-wheel drive selector over here. Right here is the button to turn off your park assist, turn off the lane keep assist, and also control the adjustable foot pedals. Got your pretty standard windshield wiper turn signal selector there. Here, you got your cruise control, as well as the button to turn off the automatic collision. It's the collision warning, the front end collision warning, as well as the control for the heated steering wheel, which is a pretty cool feature in the winter when it's cold. You wouldn't think it, but it's kind of a neat feature. It warms your hands up when things are cold out. If you hit the remote start in your vehicle in the winter when it's cold, it'll fire up and you'll get into a vehicle with a nice warm steering wheel. Over here, you have your Bluetooth controls, as well as on the back of this, your volume controls for the radio are right there, up and down. All right, let's fire it up real quick. Vehicle is pretty low mileage for a 17. I believe it's around 19,000. Hold on one second. Oh, excuse me. It's around 27,364 miles. I was thinking of the wrong unit. I apologize. 27,000 miles on a 17 here. It's relatively actually about average miles, but the vehicle is very clean. As you can see down here, you got your heated seats and your cooled seat control, your rear climate control, the passenger's heated seat and cooled seat control. Vehicle does have navigation. Just back to that there. Oh, there we go. There you go. You can see your map there, as well as the wireless charging. If your phone's equipped with QI wireless charging, you can just set it down right there and the vehicle will give it a charge. You have your AC power outlet there, and your DC plug there for any chargers you may have, whether they be standard wall chargers or car chargers. Turn the car off here. Have your all your programmable buttons for garage door openers right there. You have your power liftgate settings as far as the height you want your liftgate to go to. If you're opening your liftgate a lot in the garage, a lot of people turn this to 3/4. That way the liftgate doesn't go up and hit the roof. This just controls if the door lights are on or off whenever you open the doors up. All right, just look real quick in the back. It just beeped there because I left the proximity key inside of it. Right here you can see you got a bench seat across the back. Does provide you the most passenger space that the Yukon can have. These seats to the right and left are heated. The rear seats are heated leather, as well as there's another AC power outlet back here and another DC power outlet. Coming to the outside, vehicle is pretty clean. There are a few dings on it. We will have the Dent Wizard going over this vehicle before it is sold. There is a small ding right here. I would say that they will be able to make that almost look like new. Won't even be able to tell it was there. There was also one small ding on the other side. Pretty similar story. I expect, based on the location of these dents, that they'll be able to pull that out, and we'll be able to touch that up, and you'll barely be able to tell that it's there. In general, other than that, the vehicle's very clean. There's not any major scratching. There's a little bit of scratching on the black molding in front of the cargo area. It's just from sliding things in and out of that. The front bumper, another area that's usually could have some damage or chipping. Didn't really seem to have any of that. If you look along here, I mean, there's the occasional small chip, but because of the black color on the black plastic of the bumper, you really don't see any of that. Overall, very clean car. I just want to talk about some of the advantages of buying from All Things Automotive. First and foremost, we provide 2 keys with every car. The car goes through a rigorous safety and mechanical inspection. All the oil is changed, brakes are serviced, things like that. We check it for recalls. You'll find the RO for the vehicle service in the glove box once it's on the lot. We stand behind all of our work here done in our shop and make sure you have a roadworthy and safe vehicle. If you'd like to take a look at this or any of the vehicles we have in stock, please stop out at 21518 Great Cove Road. Give us a call at 717-485-4224 or check us out online at thomasata.com. Thank you very much, and I hope you found this video to be informative.